All right, so looks like I lost the video for my second problem. I can believe I have to redo this problem. So I'm gonna go quite fast over it since I explained in very detail in the video I lost. So you have a t equals 1 second, a firecracker explodes at x equal 10. So I named it here on the bottom. I took a system of reference S, as you can see, and I defined a scale. 4 squared equals 10 meters. In a system of reference S. 4 seconds later, so I draw my second firecracker exploding at x equal 20, as you can see, and I mark it there with blue 4 seconds later that this event happens. Now reference prime S prime, it moves in a direction x at a speed of 5 meters per second, meaning that if you take an imaginary picture at a moment at 1 second, right, or a t equals 0, my original time, then S primes happens to be 5 meters away because it's moving at 5 meters per second. So in system of reference 1, t1 is 1 second, the velocity is 5 meters per second. And now the question is, what are the position and times for those events that happen in S? How are they going to be viewed in S prime? So if you look at the pictures, and you can also use the Galilean transformation, then this problem can be actually resolved without Galilean transformation because it's very obvious what's happening here. So x1 prime, it is what is the position that S, the observer in S prime, will see when the first firecracker explodes. So that will be x1 minus vt. So there will be 10 times 5 times 1 for the velocity times t. So that gives you 5 meters. In other words, from the origin of S prime to where he perceives the x1 that was viewed in S is only 5 meters. And it's obvious, it's right here. You can see the distance between them. Similarly, if you are to calculate what is the distance viewed from S prime for the event of the firecracker that was situated at x2 from the S point of view, then you have x2 prime is x2 minus vt, so that will be 20 minus 5 times 5 seconds this time, because this event happens 4 seconds later after that. So in other words, system S prime is already well past where the event happens, so it is backwards. You can see it backwards as -5 from his point of view, okay? So that's all about problem 2 that I lost the video. I better make sure that I'm saving this now. So let me stop the video and go save it right away.